Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update voice prompt language for your headphones JBL Tune 520. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down. You need to find voice prompts right here. We have it and click on it. Then click to language. And right here we have update. I use English, so I have update only for the English voice prompt. So click update and apply. Now don't use your headphones, just wait until this update is finished. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!